Hello! In this video we will prove two trigonometric identities, and the first one is 1 minus 2 sine squared of x equals cosine squared of x minus 1 over cosecant squared of x. To prove an identity, we must show that we can change the expression on one side or on both sides so that both sides look identical. To the left, we have the fundamental trigonometric identities, and we will use them to simplify each side. In this identity, I will start by replacing 1 over cosecant squared of x with sine squared of x. And this is because 1 over cosecant squared of x equals sine squared of x. So I will write 1 minus 2 sine squared of x equals cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x. Now on the left side, I will use the first Pythagorean identity to replace 1 with sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x. Then I will have sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x minus 2 sine squared of x equals cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x. Then on the left side I will combine like terms, and sine squared of x minus 2 sine squared of x is negative sine squared of x. Then I will have cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x equals cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x. And now both sides are identical. The second identity is 2 cotangent of x plus cosecant squared of x over 2 minus cosecant squared of x equals cotangent of x plus 1 over 1 minus cotangent of x. In this identity, the left side looks more complicated, so I will start by simplifying this side. Now, because on the right side I see only the cotangent function, I will use the third Pythagorean identity to replace cosecant squared of x with 1 plus cotangent squared of x. So then, on the left side, in the numerator, I will write 2 cotangent of x plus 1 plus cotangent squared of x. In the denominator, I will write 2 minus 1 and minus cotangent squared of x. So, because of this negative in front of cosecant squared of x, I distribute the negative and I get minus 1 minus cotangent squared of x. And now I will bring down the right side, which is cotangent of x plus 1 over 1 minus cotangent of x. In the next step, I will rearrange the terms in the numerator and I will write cotangent squared of x plus 2 cotangent of x and plus 1. In the denominator, 2 minus 1 is 1, so now I will have 1 minus cotangent squared of x. And the right side is cotangent of x plus 1 over 1 minus cotangent of x. Now on the left side I will factor both the numerator and the denominator. In the numerator we have a trinomial. And if I replace each cotangent of x with y, so y equals cotangent of x, then the trinomial in the numerator becomes y squared plus 2y plus 1. Then this trinomial will be factored as y plus 1 times another y plus 1. So then, if y is cotangent of x, now I can write the numerator as cotangent of x plus 1 times another cotangent of x plus 1. And now if in the denominator we replace cotangent of x with y, then we will have the binomial 1 minus y squared. This binomial will be factored as 1 plus y times 1 minus y. And now if y equals cotangent of x, then the denominator will be 1 plus cotangent of x times 1 minus cotangent of x. And I will bring down the right side. Cotangent of x plus 1 over 1 minus cotangent of x. On the left side, cotangent of x plus 1 will cancel, and we will have cotangent of x plus 1 over 1 minus cotangent of x equals cotangent of x plus 1 over 1 minus cotangent of x. And now both sides are identical. I hope you liked this video and thank you for watching.